I'm back with another video. So today's video, how did I remix Baba Is Human theme. One of my friends who just request me that this music onto it, and I've done to remix that just like that. So we go ahead and section here the piano. Uh, the controller I just adjust because I don't want to get some high. If I gonna to take some restore back again, the sound just like this. That was horrible because I've just do and the piano should be just like this. On the section effect, I'm not sure that I just use onto the fruity parametric EQ and to do with that. And I just reset on the bass, the maximus. I didn't go change everything. I mean, I don't want to adjust because I just going to use and like that into it. And the piano just like this. On the section here is about bass, a sub bass. I'm using about the 3 times OAC. Believe it or not, this one I'm using to do it. But if you guys want to use like some other plugins into it, just like this, it will be much more better. But I don't want to do that because I'm gonna to use like a sub bass into it. And the secondly is about the hi-hat from Cymatics Lo-Fi. That was really nice to do it. The last thing is that the jazz guitar. I think not sure where did I get this plugins into. But this one is from a Jonas Eden sample pack. It's called about library talks. This one. So if you want to get that, so you can find on the YouTube too. And we go ahead and the drops onto it. Just like this. Now the section here is about the lead, the plug. I'm using some again from Jonas Eden. This one and this one. How did I do that? I just keep fully onto potential how to get the melodies onto. I mean that when you're gonna to try some brrr like that, this one, because I love that sounds onto it. We go ahead and the reverb bass onto. Same again from Jonas Eden, so I just use onto it. And this the last thing is we go ahead and the bass. This one I just have the bot to use onto it, the one that my own presets. So thanks to the Starlight who just post onto RPG levels that she done to remix onto it before she just delete because I agree gets about a copyright claims onto from RPG levels. And the last thing is about the Kashmir Bang. I love this bass. That was nice until just listen to it. How about if I just turn on to this and might be just like if you like this. sound, my own. The rights from the vegans, dance club, dance essential. This one, essential club. I love that crowds. Kashmir drop claps, I love it. And this one is a noise. Stems again from Kashmir Bang, volume 1. This one I think I'm using onto 3 times so I see. Like 8-bit games onto. And not at least in this here. I love this. I think that has been turned on effects into it. What if I just turn off? But I love it. I don't forget if I did. Oh, I didn't put anything onto some effects. I love it. And I just turn on it, it's just like this. We go ahead and the some section in here. This one is a cut. I'm using Sims again. I'm using it 3 times so I see, but I just mod X onto. I'm gonna take just in here to make sure it doesn't have some loud into. If I just turn off it, the sound just like this. That looks so weird, but if I just turn on it, just like that much more better. Only effects that I just use into it. And the last thing is to do the from Kashmir Bang I'm using into block sound. The clouds strife. We go to jump here. I think. Oh, it sounds. Where's the loop sound? Ah, there we go. This one. This one I'm using onto Vegan's Essential Club. I love it. But I just removed the clap bit. This one and this one. Oh! This one. So when I just gonna turn on it. I don't know how to get that. Because I just slice onto and much more better to hear it. Yeah. I forgot to show you guys the fill sound here. It's from Kashmir, but I just removed this one. The snare. But I'm gonna use this one. Yeah. And where I'm gonna should be. Oh, this one I just removed the plug sound. You can copy and paste to do it, but if you want to be like I'm gonna give you guys, so I just do is here. If you want to grab something that much more, just press hold it and copy paste into it just like that. But I just remove before I copy it, but I just remove it here. Oops, sorry, I just removed that the sounds into like this. We go ahead and drop the breakdown here. Okay, this one is a piano, but I'm gonna give you guys how did I do that. The RP get into it. Okay, let me just go ahead and grab this copy and paste. Did I just copy or not? Okay, I misunderstand it. Okay, to chop sound, make sure all the context has been much more better, and then you have to use onto it the art we get to make sure all the this. Before I'm gonna to give you guys, because I saw just like that was bad, but I'm gonna to alternate the wrench the second wrench onto it. Oops. And then you can accept. But I'm gonna to quit. I just miss onto it. Quick quantize onto, and you have to adjust your volume, your RP get into it. I'm going to delete this because I've already created onto it. I think that's it. Nothing changed into it. Yes, nothing changed into it. Yeah, nothing. It's all same, but just copy and paste into it just like that. But not at least the end. I forgot that sounds onto it. I'm using about the infake, the Kashmir top loop, this one and this one. Oh, that's it. Nothing changed into it. That's all I know to do it. So I hope you guys really enjoy it. If you guys have a little bit problems or might be didn't understand, just leave your comments and I will be responding to it. But if you're gonna to share this video on any social media that you have, just share it. And I don't want to waste of time because I'm gonna to going somewhere into it. So without wasting in here, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys will enjoy that how did I do remix on 2, and I will see you guys in the next episode.